Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into creating a to-do list in Notion. First off, on your Notion workspace, click the plus new page button. Now, this is the starting point for all your Notion creations. It's where you'll begin making your to-do list. Once you've done that, you'll want to select List from the template options that appear. The reason we do this is because a list format is ideal for a to-do list, allowing you to check off tasks as you complete them. Now, type in the title of your list, then hit Enter. This helps us because it distinguishes this page as your to-do list, making it easily identifiable among your other pages. Next up, click Plus New to add a new item to your list. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each new item you add is a separate page in Notion. This means you can add as many details as you want to each task, like due dates, notes, or even subtasks. Now that we've added a few tasks to the list, you'll want to use the drag and drop feature to prioritize your tasks. Let me explain why this matters. By moving the most urgent or important tasks to the top, you can ensure they get your attention first. Finally, to check off a task, just click the empty box next to the task name. This visually indicates that a task is complete, giving you a sense of accomplishment. And there you have it, a simple, effective to-do list in Notion. By following these steps, you can organize your tasks, set priorities, and track your progress, all in one place. Thanks for joining us today.